ಈ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪಿನ್ ಅನಿಕಾ ಯಾರು? ಯಾರೀಕೆ ಅನಿಕಾ? ನಾವೇನು ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅನಿಕಾ ಯಾರು? ಬೆಚ್ಚಿ ಬೀಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪಿನ್ ಅನಿಕಾ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್. ಇಡೀ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ವುಡ್ಗೆ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದದ್ದೇ ಈ ಅನಿಕಾ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ವುಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ನ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕೆಲವು ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಟಿಸಿದ್ದ ಅನಿಕಾ, ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ದಂಧೆಗಿಳಿದಿದ್ದ ಅನಿಕಾ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ದೊಡ್ಡಗುಬ್ಬಿಯ ನಿವಾಸಿ ಈ ಅನಿಕಾ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ದೊಡ್ಡಗುಬ್ಬಿ ನಿವಾಸಿ ಅನಿಕಾ ಕಿರುತೆರೆ ಮೂಲಕ ಹಲವು ನಟನಟಿಯರ ಸಂಪರ್ಕ ಗಳಿಸಿದ್ದ ಅನಿಕಾ ಮುಂಬೈ ಸಂಪರ್ಕದ ಮೂಲಕ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಪೂರೈಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಲು ಅನಿಕಾ. ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕೆಲವು ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಟಿಸಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ಕುಲಾಯಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ಕುಲಾಯಿಸಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಈಗ ಪೊಲೀಸರ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಉಮೇಶ್ ಬಣಕರ್, ನಿರ್ಮಾಪಕರಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಉಮೇಶ್ ಬಣಕರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ದೂರವಾಣಿ ಸಂಪರ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸರ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಈಗ ಸಾಧಾರಣವಾಗಿ ಮಾದಕ ದ್ರವ್ಯ ನಾವು ಬಾಲಿವುಡ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ತೆಲುಗು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೇಳ್ಪಟ್ವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೂಡ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಕೇಳ್ಪಟ್ಟದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಲವು ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಮಾತ್ರನಾ? ಏನು ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈ ಸುದ್ದಿ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಸರ್, ಈಗ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರೋ ಡ್ರಗ್ ಪೆಡ್ಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅವರು
ಸರ್ ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್, ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ವುಡ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಆಕ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಷಿಯನ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಎನ್ಸಿಬಿ ಅವರು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ನೋಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ
ಈಗ ಎನ್ಸಿಬಿ ಅವರು ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ, ಅವರು ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಕೇಸನ್ನು ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಖಂಡಿತ ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವರ ತನಿಖೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಟೀಕೆ ಟಿಪ್ಪಣಿ ಮತ್ತು ಏನೋ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ ಬೇರೆ? ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಅದೇ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಕೂತಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Certainly. See, it is a matter of great pleasure that our officers have detected a ganja distribution network in Bangalore by arresting 3 peddlers, and they have seized a substantial quantity of ganja, that is 204 kg, 2 quintal plus ganja, which you can see is a very, very big quantity, because normally a person consumes around 5 to 10 grams of ganja as one dose. So this could have been converted into 2 lakh to 1 lakh doses. And we have seen in recent past there were some instances where the people who indulge into different types of illegal activities, they were under the influence of ganja. This is the information we have received. Our officers intensified their operation, and they were following these people for last 15-20 days. They were continuously following them. It was, I can say, was sort of interstate operation where they were following the source in one district in Andhra Pradesh, and they were bringing all these items by hiding in a tanker. They have normally they were using tankers to smuggle in this ganja, and they must be having a vast network of distribution system here, and they were ultimately distributing it to Chikbalapur, Ramnagar and other adjoining districts, and mainly they would be focusing around the areas where slums, low-end localities or schools, colleges, like that. So now hereafter we will be investigating their upwards and downwards links, and this good work has been done by CCB of Bangalore City Police under the leadership of Joint CP Sandeep Patil. We have ACP Gautam, Inspector Bolati and other 4 people. They were working on this project for last 15-20 days continuously. I congratulate them for having done this good work, and I am declaring a cash reward of 35,000 rupees to them. And we appreciate the good work done by them, and this is a clear message to everybody, even those who are consuming ganja, that they should better stop it, stay away from that, and anybody indulges into it would have severe consequences. The government, as well as our Honorable Home Minister, is very clear that we have to have a policy of zero tolerance towards drugs, substances in Bangalore, and we are not going to allow it. This is a very clear message through this seizure, which is being conveyed to all these people.
Sir, is there any link between the recent Bangalore violence and this network?
See, we have right now, what I can say that this is a huge quantity which was being distributed in Bangalore city as well as in the outskirts of Bangalore.
Sir, you mentioned
1 minute, 1 minute. So that all these things we will look in, everything would be clear, like what was their network, how their network, when we will unearth their network, we will be able to trace the routes where all it used to reach, then we will come to know.
So at the moment you are not ruling it out.
No. See, right now we are in the stage where there is a seizure, 3 people are in our custody, we have their phones, we will be analyzing their digital,
Those 3 people, sir, those who have been arrested.
these 3 people are,
Any backgrounders like that, what they used to do?
no, see, they are from Mysore, they have different types of vocation otherwise, but right now we had information about their activities, so they were under watch, but for the first time we have been able to lay hands on them.